might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Hello guys, we continue the decade of the English language. Today we will ask about in the capitals. How will the school children and teachers know the capitals? Let's go!
Hello, good day. As you know, Kazakhstan capital arasında. Have you been there?
Good day, how is it? Hello! Hi! Do you know the capital of the USA? Would you like to visit there?
Yes, I know this is Washington, and I would like to visit there.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Do you know the capital of France?
Yes, I know this is Spanish.
Thank you.
Hello, how do you know capitals of the wood?
Hello, yes I know, but not good.
Hello, which country has two capitals?
Hi, Bolivia has two capitals, Source and Latas.
Thank you.
No offense to you, don't waste your time.